Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the Converge ZTE Web UI, use 192, 168, 1 or the router label. Once inside, go straight to wireless settings and confirm SSID, security type, and current password because you will replace it. Change encryption to WPA2 PSK or WPA3 if available, then enter a new strong passphrase. While here, make a quick note of guest network options. You will separate devices later. This prevents the QR from granting access to the old key. Next, you disable the features that let a phone generate or read QR codes. In Advanced or Management menus, locate QR, WPS, and Mobile App Provisioning. Toggle each off. Disable WPS first, it's the most common backdoor. Then unlink or deauthorize any Converge mobile app access and remote provisioning so the router won't recreate shareable credentials. Once done, save and apply settings. Then reboot the router to ensure the changes take effect and the QR generation is blocked. To finish, harden the network. Create a guest SSID for visitors, hide the main SSID if needed, and enable MAC filtering as a secondary measure. Remember, it can be bypassed. Check for firmware updates and install them. If QR or provisioning persists, perform a factory reset and reconfigure the secure settings again. If you hit issues, test access from a phone, inspect system logs for provisioning calls, and reapply the disable steps. That one troubleshooting tip: firmware plus reset usually resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.